Hey, guess what? It's the BlazerPuzzle. I'm Carl Franklin from AppVNext. That's Jeff Fritz from Microsoft. Hey, Jeff.
Hello. Good to see you, Carl.
Good to see you and hear the commotion in the background. Where are you?
I am in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
No kidding.
The niceties of having to travel and speak and meet with folks in our developer community. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Well, we'll try to reduce as much noise as we can, but that's not important. Let's get into last week's puzzle. Roll it.
All right, here we go.
Okay, so if you recall from last week, this was a kind of a strange puzzle. We don't want pre-rendering on this WebAssembly counter page, so we turned it off with this syntax right here. But when we do that, watch what happens. All right, we see the title, home, page title there. When we go to counter, it has the URL there. What gives, Jeff?
Yeah, so there's some weirdness that happens with the pre-rendering when you turn it off. So the solution to this is we're going to take everything that we do want to still be interactive and we don't want to pre-render and put that into another Razor file. So if we create another component in that Blazor 29 client.
Okay, so let's do that here.
Yep, so let's just add another component there.
And what do you want to call it?
Call it underscore counter, because it's not really the counter, but it's going to do those things.
All right, underscore counter.
So go back over to counter.razor, and let's grab everything from line 9, that current count, all the way through the code.
Okay.
Cut it out.
Right.
Just replace the contents of this with that content.
Looks simple enough.
Go back over to counter, and just call into underscore count. Now, the render time was something that we copied over. We can eliminate it here just to make it a little bit easier.
All right.
You go ahead and run it.
Looks good so far. Well, wait a minute. What gives?
Oh, take the render mode there.
Yeah.
Copy it into underscore counter.
Of course. Okay.
There we go. So we add that in. And now we've turned off the pre-rendering on the parts that we want to be really interactive and that we don't want it to pre-render. But these parts, where it's okay to pre-render the page title and the headers, let it pre-render and with that stuff out there.
Very good. Let's try it. Okay.
There we go.
All right. So basically you made a kind of a hybrid component. The page part of it is pre-rendered, but the content is not pre-rendered.
This is kind of an important technique for us to know when there's parts of our application that it's okay for it to pre-render and deliver an initial bit of content. The content that needs to be very dynamic and you don't want pre-render, you want to be able to control that and moving those into components that you can add and remove from the page very easily. It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches in the future.
That's fantastic. All right. Well, we had a few correct answers this week, and we picked one at random, and that person is, drum roll, please, Amanda Bostich from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Hey, I know that place.
And for having her answer picked at random from all the right answers, Amanda is going to win one of these. A BlazerPuzzle mug.
Nice.
Yeah, and she's also going to win one of these. A BlazerPuzzle t-shirt.
Nice.
You can win too, but you got to play. Right, Jeff?
That's right. You got to send us an email. Tell us what you think the solution to the puzzle is. And you can be a big winner. Take home a mug, take home a t-shirt.
Right. Okay, let's get to next week's puzzle. So this is just another Blazor Web App, right? And pull up home. And I believe this is just a global server everywhere app. That's not important. But what I want to do is on the home page, I want to add a parameter, arg, right? And I have all the regular stuff I have all regular stuff here that we normally do with parameters,
Sure.
I'm going to pull it out and put it into a message string if it's there and show the message. But here's the problem. Why does adding this parameter result in the loss of CSS styling?
Okay.
Yeah, I know. It's weird. I'm gonna run it.
But this is the type of page that you might configure because you want folks to come in with different perspectives or something, a different, slightly different configuration. But you're losing. Wow, you lost all the style.
I lost the navbar. It looks like I lost the whole main layout, right?
Yeah.
But look at this. The argument works. So I'll say,
okay,
hi, and there, message, hi. The argument works.
So it captured.
But it's got this. Isn't that weird? And just to show you that there isn't another problem, I'll comment this out and run it again.
Okay.
There it is.
Hmm.
Everything's there. So just by having this line on line 2.
Yeah, adding that little bit of extra routing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very strange.
What's the deal, chat? Can you help
What's
us?
the deal?
Can you help Carl?
Yeah, help me. I can't believe this is happening.
Yeah.
It's like clearly a bug. Or is it? Let us know. If you think you know the answer, don't post it on social media, but instead send it by email to Jeff and me at this address, blazerpuzzle@appvnext.com, with the subject puzzle number 30. And if you get it right, we'll put you in the pool with all the right answers and pick one at random. Maybe next week you'll win some stuff.
Nice. All right.
Yeah, Jeff, enjoy San Juan. And
thanks so much.
See you back at the ranch next week. Bye-bye.
All righty. Take care, friends.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out blazertrain.com and the .NETshow.com for more great content.